Welcome to DomainMetricsTool. Google is de-indexing more and more private blog networks because people are leaving footprints while setting up a PBN without investing time and effort. The most important factor and basis of a private blog network is a healthy, not spammy, expired domain. Today we would like to introduce the new feature of DomainMetricsTool, a ratio based on parameters from Majestic CF Citation Trust flow ratio. The CFTF ratio is near impossible to manipulate with spam. The CFTF ratio doesn't lie. While spam will increase CF, it is very hard to manipulate CF using low-quality links. A domain that has high page authority and domain authority will likely have high of citation flow, but its trust flow will depend entirely on the quality of the links. This is why we have incorporated the CFTF ratio into DomainMetricsTool, to quickly filter out low-quality spammy domains in seconds. When people check domains, they usually choose domains from a list by looking for high page authority and domain authority. If you are focusing on page authority and domain authority when buying domains for your PBN, you are setting yourself up to get scammed. Most of the domains with high page authority and domain authority have a high citation flow but low trust flow. Majestic has found the top 25% of domains had CFTF ratios near 1.09. Spammy domains had much higher CFTF ratios. The closer this value is to 0, the better the URL. A CFTF ratio lower than 180 is a good metric to exclude spammy and low-quality domains. Let's look on some examples. On the list here you see domain with high domain authority and high page authority, but also very high CFTF ratios. These domains are not worth wasting time to look at. Using the CFTF ratio you have a metric to quickly sort out spammy domains, which will save you plenty of time while searching for expired domains. The following examples demonstrates the accuracy of the CFTF ratio. Let's look on two domains. Both have a page authority of 34 but different CFTF ratios. While this domain has a CFTF ratio of 0.89, the other has a ratio of 1.58, which would be fine for both. But, looking on the CFTF ratio of the domain without www, we realize that this one has a ratio of 2.80, while the other has 1.0, so let's have a look at the domain. To have a closer look at a domain we choose according to the metrics. We check the domain first with DomainTools.com for the number of registrars and drops. Then we look for the Wayback Machine at archive.org and screenshots.com. With Majestic CF we check the citation flow and trust flow. And finally with our refs.com the backlinks, anchors and referring domains. The domain we have chosen to have a closer look at has 4 registrars and 2 drops, which is already a red flag. Also the title of the website shows Asiatic letters. This would already be sufficient to stop from further looking at this domain. But to demonstrate you that the CFTF ratio was the first parameter showing correctly, this domain is spam, we check it with archive.org. And as you can see at the last instance of the Wayback Machine, we have a page with Asiatic letters and evidently a completely spammy domain. We see the same at screenshots.com. Here the Asiatic spam website, then a website which is used as linking domain, then finally the original website. The more drops the domain has, the more risk it was used for spam. At DomainMetricsTool we therefore don't use domains with more than 3 registrars and are more than 1 drop. Now we check the other domain which has only 1 registrar and no drops. We paste the domain name to the Wayback Machine. On the last instance we see a normal website. The images are missing, but that's normal as there is no website, just a screen archive. We can check all the way back and we just see the original website and no spam. We hope the demonstration could show the importance of the CFTF ratio as sufficient metric to quickly filter out low-quality and spammy domains, just by looking at the number at the table. It will save a lot of time during domain checkup process, locating quality authority expired domains. We hope to see you on the website soon.